she holds that line. Pushing 15 barges loaded heavy ahead, diesel heart beating steady and true. Passing 9 lights in Russell, Kentucky, muddy Ohio, trying to pull her back, but she powers through. This is freedom, pushing up that muddy river. This is freedom, making heavy freight deliver. Throttle up, running strong against the tide. Heartland steel where the working men belong. 15 loads fighting that old brown water. Freedom warrior cutting through with pride. Let that big horn blow across the water wide. This is freedom out here on the ride. Out here on the ride. Sweat on the deck and the radio loud, coffee in one hand, eyes on the river ahead. These river boys don't need no spotlight, just another mile and another loaded spread. She ain't flashy, but she gets it done.